A fighter jet that can do it all. Stealth, reconnaissance, ground attack, dogfights, even vertical landings. Sounds like science fiction? This is the F-35 Lightning II, the next-generation multi-role fighter. In the early 2000s, the US and its allies needed a replacement for aging fleets of F-16, F/A-18, and Harriers. The answer was the F-35, an enormous program powered by Lockheed Martin and more than 10 partner nations. From that mission came the Lightning II, designed to be the backbone of Western air power in the 21st century. The F-35 is more than just an aircraft. It's the all-seeing eye of the battlefield. Its AESA radar scans the skies, while the pilot's advanced helmet projects augmented reality, allowing them to literally see through the jet's fuselage. Its stealth makes it nearly invisible, while its versatile arsenal can down enemy aircraft or destroy ground targets. And here's the unique part. 3 variants, the F-35A for the Air Force, the F-35B with vertical takeoff and landing for the Marines, and the carrier-ready F-35C for the Navy. In 2018, the F-35 saw combat for the first time in the Middle East. It didn't just carry out pinpoint strikes, it also shared real-time data with Allied forces. One pilot described it like this: "Flying the F-35 feels like sitting inside a mobile command center." That's what sets it apart. The F-35 isn't fighting alone. It's a node in the vast web of modern warfare. The F-35 program has cost over $400 billion, making it the most expensive weapons project in history. Early on, it faced heavy criticism, delays, technical problems, and high maintenance costs. But over time, it proved its worth. More than 20 nations have placed orders, and hundreds are now in active service around the world. The F-35 Lightning II is not just a jet. It's a symbol of 21st century warfare, where speed, stealth, and data converge. But can it truly become the backbone of Western air power? Only time will tell. For now, hit that subscribe button to keep exploring the legends of the sky.